Look at some of these numbers from this game. And this is why I used the words, you got punked. Points in the paint. 72-26 advantage Florida. Now, we know Florida has the best front line in the country. We knew that going in. We knew that coming into the season. I believed it at SEC Media Days way back in October here in Birmingham. I picked Thomas Houck as my preseason SEC Player of the Year. There you see him pictured, number 10. And I picked Florida to win the league outright in the regular season, which they didn't do last year. They won the tournament before they went on and won the national championship. 72 points in the paint. And the good folks at ESPN Research determined that that is the highest total of paint points in the last 20 years by one SEC team against a major conference opponent. 72. Alabama had 26, despite having a former G League player in the lineup in Charles Bediako. Look at the assists to turnovers. 24-2 by Florida. That's insanity. That doesn't happen, folks. Circle that, stamp it, put it away in your memory bank. You may never see that again. Alabama had 16 assists, and until yesterday, Alabama had one of the best teams in the country in terms of not turning the ball over. They turned it over 18 times. And points off of turnovers, Florida had 25. Alabama had 0. A big, fat donut. 25-0 in points off the paint, which is, points off turnovers. So you take the paint points plus the turnover points, and that's why Alabama's advantage in three-point points. Alabama made 14 for threes, so they scored 42 from the three-point line. Florida made 3, giving them 9. So Alabama had a plus 33 advantage from the arc and lost by 23 points.